Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2021 Nissan Rogue battery, updated. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid shorts. Remove the hold-down bracket with a 10 mm socket, lift out the old battery, clean terminals, place the new battery, tighten the hold-down to manufacturer torque, reconnect positive then negative, reset clock and radio presets, and start the engine to confirm proper installation. Gather your tools and safety gear before starting to save time and stay safe. You will need a 10 mm socket, pliers, wire brush, and a battery terminal puller if available. Verify battery group size and cold, cranking amps for your vehicle, and match them when buying a replacement. Always wear safety glasses and gloves, work in a well-ventilated area, and keep sparks away from the battery. Have a memory saver or note radio codes before disconnecting power. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal, then the positive terminal to prevent shorts and sparks. Remove the hold-down bracket with a 10 mm socket and carefully lift the battery straight up using both hands. Inspect the tray for corrosion and clean with baking soda and water if needed, then dry thoroughly before installing the new battery. Apply terminal protector and torque terminals to specs when reconnecting. Check date code and age.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.